Operations on the strings. We can perform different kind of activities or operations on the strings, like combining two or more strings, checking whether there are any numbers in the string or not, converting a string to uppercase or to lowercase, and total length of the string. We can do a lot of activities. Now let us see some of the important operations we can perform on the string. You can also verify Python documentation. It's one of the most important things we have to check. Now let us perform some operations. For example, let us take A, hello, B, world. Let us print both A plus B. Then it's going to print hello world. Now I want to print hello for 10 times. Then what I have to do? A plus A plus A and so on up to 10 times, right? Not required. You can use star 10. A star 10 will print hello for 10 times. Also, you can use the plus sign to combine two strings C equal to A plus B. Then C will become hello world. Let us print C now.